Hello everyone. This artifact is a review of the Level 1 Fieldwork Educator's report of my performance during my 2-week adult placement. I spent time with Heidi, an adjunct faculty member of the OT department at WSSU, completing home safety evaluations for Project REACH in the community of East Winston-Salem. I chose this artifact because it gives a great representation of my professional behavior, maturity, and strengths throughout this experience. Heidi gave me a score of 5 for communication, both verbal and nonverbal, comfort in the setting, receptiveness to feedback, self-awareness, my ability to take initiative, and ethical reasoning and actions, which are all very important aspects of professionalism, culturally competent care, and overall professional readiness. When prompted to share her thoughts on my strengths in this setting, Heidi listed that I am very good at interacting with older adults. She thought I was able to utilize the therapeutic use of self, and that I was excellent in treating and evaluating patients, which I was grateful enough to do in this setting. She also mentioned my ability to adapt to change or corrections as a strength of mine. Here, Heidi noted that I demonstrate excellent motivation and that I use every learning opportunity to my advantage. She believes that I will continue to progress to entry-level readiness if I continue applying myself as I did during this Level 1 Fieldwork experience.